What's going on, everybody? We back with another one, and in today's video it's going to be on the old GMC, which I'm not going to be doing anything crazy. I went to the junkyard today and actually found some small pieces to put on this thing. I almost got lucky and found the whole wood grain interior off of Yukon Denali with the gray and black wood grain. But as you know, when people go out there, they just snatch and pull stuff and literally broke everything that they didn't need. So let me show you guys what we picked up. So these are not actually chrome. They're like a gunmetal gray. I don't know. Actually, it might be like a chrome, but it don't look chrome to me. It looks a little darker than chrome. But we got all four. The other one is in here. Roll one down. So we got all four door handles. I actually went out there for a third brake light for this thing because it don't work. But while I was out there, I seen these and I'm like, you know what? For $40, you can't beat it. I mean, I think Amazon, just the basic black door handles are like 20 bucks. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and get these. I think it'll make the interior look pretty good. You know, it'll give it a slight change from the old plain Jane black handles. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm trying to let this thing run. I know the battery was dead on it. I put the battery off the OBS onto this thing to see if that would, you know, work. But it's not working. It's going dead every night, it seems like. But I do got another battery that come off the Suburban itself. It's a diehard as well, and this one's fairly new too. So yeah, so this one's from last year, January. So I might pop the other one off and put this one on there and see what it does. Because yeah, I'm not gonna be wanting to walk to my truck and expect this thing not to start when I need it to start. So we'll probably slap this bad boy on there too. But yeah, I've just, you know, I ain't been doing much to this thing. It's mainly been the OBS is what I've been working on. I haven't even touched the old RAM. Dude, look how dirty it is. Like, it hasn't moved. Like, I mean, there's freaking spiders making homes in this thing. Like, you can tell it hasn't moved in a minute. Rims are dirty. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be swapping out all four door handles, putting the chrome ones on there. I think it'll look real good. It'll offset the black speaker covers now. And I think that'll look real good. Oh, I had grease on my seat. Get off. But yeah, once I get them on there, I will show you guys the finished product. Still trying to decide on wheels and tires for the OBS. Just been driving that thing, you know, making sure the suspension's good on it. Cause it's been doing good. I think I'm gonna get the windows tinted today. I don't know, I gotta call up there to the tint shop and see if he can get it in today. It looks good, man. Like, the truck looks really good. And it sets almost the same height as the old GMC. And I feel like if it had 35s on this, it would set taller than the GMC, which I expected to, because the GMC, you know, it's only on a leveling kit. And I do know that two-wheel drives aren't gonna be as tall as four-wheel drives, but yeah, so that's the plans for today, just to swap the door handles out on the GMC and then get the windows tinted on the OBS. And I think it's like 120 bucks. I'm just gonna get the front two done. I got the stuff for the brow. I might try to do that myself, because I don't know if I'm gonna tint the full windshield on this one, because these headlights on this thing, they're good, but I don't think they'll be good enough to have, you know, 20% on the windshield. But I got this at AutoZone, and it's for, you know, it's a strip, so I mean, I might try to do that myself. But yeah, that's the plans for today. Like I said, once I get the handles on there, look at that freaking light. Watch it, look at it. Once I get the lights, not the lights, the door handles on, I'll pick the video back up and show you guys how they look. But don't you think, like, with some chrome right there, that would help blend the chrome on the bows, and it would, you know, give it a little different feel to it. I think it will. But I'm gonna pause the video, go ahead and slap the door handles on, slap that other battery on, and once I get the door handles back on, I'll show you guys how it turned out. All right, fellas, so we got them on here, and if you look at them from in here, they don't even look like they're chrome. But you know, once the sunlight hits them, then that's when they get their, you can actually see what color they are. But I think that looks really good. Like I said, I had the chrome on the cat eye. I think these are not as, like, they don't stick out as much being the color they are. I think they look really good though. I think they turned out really well. None of them are scarred up. All of them are real nice, and they need cleaned a little bit, but as far as fading, all of them are real, like, they look practically new. And I got lucky because I was able to actually get 2 off of one truck and then 2 off another. I got lucky there too, because typically you don't find Yukon Denalis that haven't been, excuse me, completely gutted. So when I seen these, I'm like, yeah, we're gonna get them, because I think that's a nice look, man. I think that made it, you know, it's not a big upgrade, but I think it's, you know, it's definitely noticeable. And another thing, we did have to get us another battery, because unfortunately I put that one on there and it didn't do the trick, so we picked this up a Duralast. $215 with a $22 core. But yeah, I mean, that's probably gonna do it for this video. I'll probably be making a video on the OBS, because I did get something done to it today as well, and it completely changed the look of the truck again. I mean, it looks 10 times better than what it did, and you guys probably already know, because I probably said it earlier in the video. But yeah, I got the windows tinted, so now that thing looks 1,000 times better. I'm gonna actually, when I get back home, I'm gonna try to tint the brow on the OBS. That way, you know, that's done. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these door handles. Do y'all prefer, I know I haven't seen a lot of these. Like, when I go to the junkyard, I usually don't see these. I see the chrome ones. So I don't know if these are more rare, or I just think they are. I don't know. Drop a comment and let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer the chrome or this color here? I'm not even sure what color this is. So if any of you guys know, let me know in the comments. That way we can both know. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, and this is why I love that back glass in times like this. It's like 76 degrees. You roll your windows down and it's perfect, man. You get breeze throughout the whole truck, which I can run the air. The air does work on the truck, but when it gets this time of year, I like the windows down and cruising. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button. I got more stuff coming for this thing. I do want to switch the exhaust up. That's probably going to be the next thing on this truck here. The Ram, I got something coming for it. I know I ain't been doing much to that thing, because I really don't want to do a whole lot to it. As far, I don't know, I might lift it, I don't know yet. But I got something coming for that truck as well. So we'll be putting a video out on the Ram. I know I haven't done nothing to that thing and shoot since the first month of owning it, but there's stuff to come on that one. In the OBS, that's the main focus right now. Like, I want to get that thing running like it's supposed to, as far as, you know, the way it looks. I need to change the transmission filter, the oil pan gasket. I do got a brand new oil pump at home. I think I'm going to go ahead and slap that in there. Being that it is 2-wheel drive, it's real easy to drop the oil pan on those trucks and change that. So that's probably what I'm going to do too. And then wheels and tires for that thing. And I want to do a sound system or radio. I might take the radio that was in this truck with the, I think it's a 12-inch screen, and put it in the OBS. That way it gives it a more modern feel. Because right now it sucks listening to CDs, because who honestly has CDs anymore? But yeah, so we got a lot more stuff planned for the trucks. We just, you know, been taking it slow. But yeah, if you guys enjoy, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.